this is Jess, everybody. She's the second person to have the vehicle tuned today on Luke Stevens' the charity day. T6 102 manual. It made 111 standard. And what did we make? Was it
161.9, I think.
161.9 after the tune. So we're just going to go out and see what Jess thinks of it.
That's got loads more power. Wow. That's like a different van.
So you had one tuned by Pendle before?
Yes, our last van.
That was a 102 as well, was it?
That was 102 as well, yeah. Such a difference. It is actually amazing. Yeah, see now this is saying go up to 5th. There's no way I don't need 5th at all, you know. That's interesting. It's saying my range of diesels